The necessity of finding innovative solutions for agricultural development in countries with extreme climates. The development of agriculture in countries with harsh climates is a critical issue that requires creative solutions. Agricultural production in these regions faces numerous challenges, including limited water resources, poor soil quality, extreme temperatures, and unpredictable weather patterns. These challenges can make it difficult to grow crops and raise livestock, which can lead to food shortages, malnutrition, and poverty. To address these challenges, it is necessary to find creative solutions that can help farmers and communities adapt to the harsh conditions and improve their agricultural productivity. One approach to developing agriculture in harsh climates is the use of innovative farming techniques. This includes the use of hydroponics, which involves growing crops in nutrient-rich water instead of soil, and aeroponics, which involves growing crops in air or mist environment. These techniques can help farmers to grow crops in areas with limited water resources and poor soil quality, and can also reduce water usage and increase yields. Another approach is the use of agroforestry, which involves planting trees alongside crops or livestock to provide shade and improve soil quality. This technique can help to reduce erosion, increase water retention, and provide a source of food and income for communities. Similarly, the use of conservation agriculture, which involves minimizing soil disturbance and using cover crops to protect soil, can also help to improve soil quality and reduce erosion. In addition to these techniques, the use of technology can also play a critical role in developing agriculture in harsh climates. This includes the use of precision agriculture technology, which involves using sensors, drones, and other tools to gather data on soil and crop conditions. This data can then be used to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and other inputs, leading to higher yields and lower costs. Similarly, the use of mobile applications and digital platforms can help farmers to access information on weather patterns, market prices, and best practices in agriculture. This can enable farmers to make more informed decisions and improve their agricultural productivity. Another important factor in developing agriculture in harsh climates is the need for collaboration and partnerships. Governments, non-governmental organizations, and private sector actors can work together to develop and implement strategies that support farmers and communities in these regions. This can include providing access to finance, training and education, and extension services that help farmers to adopt new techniques and technologies. Similarly, partnerships between farmers and researchers can help to develop and test new approaches to agriculture that are tailored to the specific needs of communities in harsh climates. In conclusion, developing agriculture in countries with harsh climates is a critical issue that requires creative solutions. By using innovative farming techniques, leveraging technology, and promoting collaboration and partnerships, it is possible to improve agricultural productivity and food security in these regions. By doing so, we can help to ensure that all people have access to safe, healthy, and sustainable food sources, even in the most challenging environments. Agriculture forms the backbone of the economies and livelihoods in many developing countries with difficult climates characterized by drought, floods, desertification, and soil degradation. However, conventional farming practices are often ill-suited to these challenging environments, leading to low yields, crop failures, and food insecurity. There is now an urgent need for creative, innovative solutions to develop more robust, climate resilient agriculture that can sustainably meet the needs of growing populations in such harsh conditions. One important approach is the use of drought resistant crop varieties. Scientists are working to develop genetically modified or hybrid crop varieties that require less water, can cope with high salinity, and survive extreme temperatures. Drought-tolerant strains of staple crops like wheat, corn, cassava, and rice show promise in fields trials. New crop